guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make spinach bread. For the ingredients, I'm going to use spinach, milk, coconut oil, maple syrup, salt, sugar, flax eggs, dry yeast, whole wheat flour, bread flour, oatmeal flour, and almond flour. I'm going to start off by pouring the sugar and yeast. Stir it until it's well combined and put it aside for 3 to 5 minutes. In a blender, put the spinach and milk. Blend it until it's smooth. In a bowl, I'm going to pour the spinach mixture, yeast, coconut oil, maple syrup, and flax eggs. Whisk it until it's well combined. In another bowl, I'm going to put whole wheat flour, oatmeal flour, bread flour, and almond flour. Mix until it's well combined and add salt. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, then mix until it's well combined. Put it in a hand mixer and let it mix for about 5 minutes. In a powdered surface, take out your dough and knead it. Fold the dough and give it a ball shape. Cover the dough and let it rest for 5 minutes. Divide the dough in 2 equal pieces. Make a ball with one portion, then the other portion divide into 2, and give it a ball shape. With one portion of the dough, pat it down and roll it out and transfer it to a greased loaf pan. The other portion of the dough, I'm going to divide it into 3 equal pieces. With the 3 pieces, I'm going to form a ball. The last piece remaining, I'm going to roll it out and give it a rectangle shape. Then I'm going to transfer it into a baking tray with parchment paper. With a brush, I'm going to brush the dough until it's completely wet. Then I'm going to sprinkle the seeds. With a rolling pin, I'm going to roll the dough so the seeds stay in place. With a pizza cutter, I'm going to cut 1-inch strips. Bake the bread at 350 for 30 minutes. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.